Now, students, see page number 65. I am reading our remaining paragraph. The poorer peasantry. It means poor farmers were not just interested in the lowering of the revenue demand. Those who were poor farmers, they wanted to fulfill or satisfy their another demands also. They wanted to reduce the revenue also as well as the other demands also. What their other demands? So just listen carefully. Many of them were small tenants cultivating land they had rented from landlords. So many poor farmers, they were small tenants. Tenant means they took land from landlords on rent. As the depression continued and cash incomes dwindled means decrease because of the economic depression. So their income as well as the earning totally reduced. The small tenants found it difficult to pay their rent. So they were unable to pay their rent. They could not pay their revenues. They wanted the unpaid rent as well as they were unable to pay their rent also to the landlords. So that they wanted the unpaid rent to the landlord to be remitted. Remitted means forgive. Whatever the unpaid rent, so they wanted to excuse as well as to forgive by the landlords. They joined a variety of radical movements because of this purpose. They joined in various types of movements. Radical means aggressive movement, often led by socialists and communists. Now, they joined in various types of radical movements. Some were led by socialist people as well as some were led by communist people. Apprehensive means with fear of rising issues that might upset the rich peasants and landlords. Now they demanded to, we can say, the reduce as well as the forgive whatever their unpaid rent. So rich farmers, landlords, so they were very, we can say, they were unhappy. The rich peasants and landlords. The Congress was unwilling to support no rent campaigns in most places. So the poorer peasantry, they carried out no rent campaign, no rent movement. So the Congress was not ready to support to such a no rent campaign, or we can say the movement, because of the Congress was in favor of landlords as well as the rich farmers. So the relationship between the poor peasants and the Congress remained uncertain. So because of this reason, so Congress was not supported to the peasantry campaign, so that their relation, poor farmer as well as the Congress, between them, so we can say the was not good relation. Now students, now remaining paragraph we'll read in next clip.